Hello, this is the start of exercise number 2, magnetic and non-magnetic materials. So basically I'm going to take my magnet that I had from the previous exercise and go around and see if they're magnetic or non-magnetic. And it said first look at some coins. Well, a couple of months ago I went through and I had a whole bunch of coins and I put them in these rolls to get them to take them to the bank, and oh my gosh, I had so many foreign coins. So plus I have a Chuck E. Cheese coin. So we can go over and see one by one. Okay, the Chuck E. Cheese coin, nope, that's not magnetic. And we have all of our American coins, which you probably already know are non-magnetic, but all right, so none of them stick to my magnet. Now, the infamous Canadian coins. There's actually in every one of those bottle and the junk food dispensers in our college, those machines have a magnet in them to grab Canadian coins. And what the magnet does, you see how they're attracted to it? They pick them up and then they throw them back at you and says, because they're not real coins. So that's one way they can tell. And unfortunately, a lot of these coins that you see aren't magnetic. So if they get trapped, then they lose money or gain money. It depends if you have a euro dollar or something like that and you think it's a quarter. So for whatever reason, I've got 2 Ecuador ones. I have no idea how this works. Oh, so that one definitely is attracted. And this one is. Okay, so the Ecuador coins definitely like my magnet. What about, well, I think this is China. I have no idea because I can't read it. Okay, that's definitely not magnetic. Malaysia. Oh, the Malaysian penny, or 1 cent, it says. That's definitely Trinidad and Tobago. Nope. So that would get through the machine. India, I couldn't read what the writing says, but it looks like the Taj Mahal, so I guessed it was India. All right, here's a penny, and a dollar. All right, the penny attracts, but not the dollar, so go figure. Now, when they attract, they have nickel in them. Nickel is a very, very, very cheap metal. So you can make things cheaper if you have metal in them. I'm going to talk about that a little bit more when we do our jewelry test. Okay, I did the Chuck E. Cheese one. Oh, here's Malawi. Now, this is a country in Africa. My daughter went to Malawi, Engineers Without Borders, so we've got quite a number of coins, and it just happened to get stuck in my normal coin, so that one isn't it. Oh, it is, so that one attracts. So Malawi is attracted. Then we have a bunch of euro coin things. So this is from the European Union, €2, 2 cents, and 5 cents. Oh, yes and no. So the cheaper stuff attracts it. Then I've got the Mexican, I've got a dollar, yep, okay, both of them attract. So notice how both Canada and Mexico, both the coins attract to a magnet. So those are the most likely coins that a machine is going to get when you put your money in there and get a soda or something. Here's the Dominican Republic, 1 peso, and India, no. And here's a dollar, I think I did that already. All right, so anyway, so there's a lot of them that were magnetic and a lot of them that weren't, but all the American coins are not magnetic. So on your chart, they mentioned a couple things of, alligator clip, definitely. The alligator clip is made out of steel, so that's the reason why that attracts. Scissors, yep, scissors definitely attract. I've got pins, whoa, definitely. Pins are made out of steel. So the reason the coins attract is because of the nickel in them. They do not put steel in coins. It's too expensive, and steel is very difficult to actually make coins out of. You have to cast them. And then we've got plastic, oh, and then jewelry. Oh, look at that. I'm telling you, I got this from Charmin Charlie's at Freehold Mall. And Charmin Charlie's is not the most expensive, nice jewelry in the world, so you'd expect it to be attracted to a magnet. Why? Because there's nickel in it. This does not have steel in it. It's got nickel in it. And nickel is also another ferromagnetic material. It's quite common. And in very cheap jewelry, you're going to get nickel. And so you can tell if it's cheap or not. If you go to Walmart, take your little magnet, and it's metal and it sticks to it, then it's nickel. If it's bare metal, you have to be careful because it's highly allergenic. Nickel next to your skin will cause a reaction. So it's not something you want in terms of jewelry. Okay, so this was the first part of exercise number 2. Now I'm going to have to set up for the second part.